Welcome to the video I've entitled A Much Too Quick Overview of Sociology and Its History, structured around 5 influential sociologists, Auguste Comte, Max Weber, Émile Durkheim, Karl Marx, and W.E.B. Du Bois, and 5 important sociological topics: socialization, social stratification, culture, power, and social change. This video was written and produced, and is presented by me, Andrew Chapman. Sociology is a relatively young academic discipline that emerged in the 19th century. It developed in response to the profound social, economic, and political changes of the time, including the Industrial Revolution, urbanization, and the rise of nationalism. Sociology is the study of society, social behavior, and the interaction between individuals and groups. The field seeks to understand the patterns and structures of social life and the factors that shape human behavior. The emergence of sociology as a distinct discipline is typically traced back to the works of Auguste Comte, 1798 to 1857, who coined the term sociology in the 1830s. Comte is considered the founder of sociology, and his works on positivism and social order laid the groundwork for the field. Comte's idea was that sociology could be based on scientific principles and methods, much like the natural sciences. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, a number of influential sociologists made significant contributions to the development of the field. Max Weber, 1864 to 1920, was one such figure. Weber's work on bureaucracy, the Protestant work ethic, and social stratification had a lasting impact on the field. He also developed the concept of ideal types as a way to understand complex social phenomena. Weber believed that sociology should aim to understand social action and its meaning to individuals. Émile Durkheim, 1858 to 1917, is considered one of the founding fathers of sociology. He is best known for his study of suicide, in which he argued that social factors, rather than individual psychology, were the key determinants of suicide rates. Durkheim also studied the role of religion in society and the relationship between social order and deviance. His work on social integration and the division of labor helped to establish sociology as a distinct field of study. Karl Marx, 1818 to 1883, is best known for his theories on class struggle and capitalism. His ideas about social conflict and the exploitation of the working class have had a profound impact on sociology and other social sciences. Marx's work has also been influential in political and economic thought. His theories on alienation and the relationship between social class and power continue to be debated and analyzed by sociologists today. W.E.B. Du Bois, 1868 to 1963, was an African-American sociologist and civil rights activist. He conducted pioneering research on race and racism in the United States, including studies on the social and economic conditions of African Americans. Du Bois also played a key role in the founding of the National Association for the Advancement of Colored People, the NAACP, and was an advocate for civil rights and social justice. Other important figures in the development of sociology include Jane Addams and the Chicago School of Sociology, which focused on the study of urban life and social inequality. The development of feminist sociology, which examines the relationship between gender and society, has also been a key milestone in the history of sociology. Postmodern and critical theory perspectives have also emerged in recent decades, challenging traditional views on social structure and the role of power and ideology. While sociology is a broad discipline investigating myriad issues within the domain of society, here we will look at 5 such issues: socialization, social stratification, culture, power, and social change. Socialization is a crucial concept in sociology, as it refers to the process by which individuals learn and internalize the norms, values, and beliefs of their society. This process begins in childhood and continues throughout the lifespan, shaping individuals' behaviors and attitudes. Through socialization, individuals learn how to behave in social situations, how to communicate effectively, and how to develop a sense of self-identity. Socialization is a complex and ongoing process that is influenced by a wide range of factors, including family, peers, education, and the media. Social stratification refers to the ways in which society is structured into hierarchies based on factors like class, race, gender, and education. These hierarchies shape individuals' opportunities and life chances and can contribute to social inequality and marginalization. Social stratification can take many forms, from economic inequality and poverty to discrimination and prejudice based on race, gender, or sexual orientation. Sociologists study social stratification to better understand the mechanisms by which these hierarchies are created and maintained, and to identify ways to reduce inequality and promote social justice. Culture is another key concept in sociology, referring to the shared beliefs, values, practices, and artifacts that define a society. Culture shapes individuals' behaviors and attitudes and provides a shared framework for understanding and interpreting the social world. Sociologists study culture to better understand the ways in which it shapes individuals' experiences and behaviors and to identify patterns of cultural change and continuity over time. Power is a fundamental element of social relations, referring to the ability of individuals or groups to exert control over others, often through the use of force or coercion. Power can take many forms, from political power and influence to economic power and social status. Power can be used to reinforce or challenge social hierarchies and inequalities, and understanding power dynamics is a key focus of sociological research. Social change refers to the ways in which societies evolve and transform over time, often in response to economic, political, or cultural forces. Social change can be gradual or rapid and can lead to both positive and negative outcomes for individuals and groups within a society. Understanding social change is a key focus of sociological research and analysis, as sociologists seek to identify the underlying mechanisms and patterns of change in order to better understand and address social issues and challenges. Today, sociology is a thriving academic discipline with a broad range of research areas, including the study of social inequality, social networks, globalization, and social movements. Sociologists use a variety of methods to study social phenomena, including quantitative and qualitative research, participant observation, and historical analysis. The field continues to evolve and adapt to changing social realities and challenges, such as the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic and the complex social and political issues of the 21st century. Today, sociology remains an important and vibrant field as sociologists continue to seek to understand the complexities of social life and to address pressing social issues. Through ongoing research and analysis, sociology plays a vital role in helping us understand and navigate the social world. Its key milestones and contributions have shaped our understanding of social phenomena and continue to inform research and debates in the field today. Thank you for watching this video, which I entitled A Much Too Quick Overview of Sociology and Its History, structured around 5 influential sociologists, Auguste Comte, Max Weber, Émile Durkheim, Karl Marx, and W.E.B. Du Bois, and 5 important sociological topics: socialization, social stratification, culture, power, and social change. This video was written, produced, and presented by me, Andrew Chapman.